In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a white wine butter sauce. It may take a little practice, but they are very easy and you'll put that on everything. Start by gathering your mise en place. This recipe calls for dry white wine, parsley, a clove or two of minced garlic, some capers, sliced shallots, half a lemon, unsalted butter. I decided to grill some day-boat diver scallops. I got these at Metropolitan Seafood in Lebanon, New Jersey. Hands down, they have the best fresh seafood around. Over medium heat, add your butter, add the shallots and stir. Make sure your pan is not so hot or you will burn the butter. Continuously stir the shallots until the edges are very lightly brown. You don't want to caramelize them all the way or it'll change the color of your sauce. It's meant to be a light color. Then add your minced garlic, stirring until fragrant. Oh my God, that smells so good. Deglaze the pan with some dry white wine. Add the capers and squeeze half a lemon into it. Then bring it up to a simmer. Once you are satisfied all the alcohol is cooked out of it, turn the heat off and add your butter. Make sure you swirl the butter around because that's how you emulsify it. Go ahead and add your fresh herbs. I used flat leaf Italian parsley. Season it with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And don't forget your hot seeds, if you're into that sort of thing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.